Hey everyone, I wanted to walk you through exactly where to click and how to buy free supplies from the USPS store. So you're going to pull up USPS, you're going to click on shop and then shipping supplies, and then over here you're going to click on free shipping supplies. Yay, free. Alright, so like I said, you need these padded flat rate envelopes. I am needing some myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and they only do a pack of 10 now. They used to do 15. I'm gonna go ahead and order 3 packs. Add to cart. Keep shopping. And then hit back. And I also need some of these large priority. I need some of these large priority boxes, so I'm going to get a pack of 10, and I just need one. I don't really sell a lot of stuff that needs something that big, but I do need some. Keep shopping. Hit back. And let's see, the other things that I told you to buy. So these priority mail flat rate small boxes, I don't need any of these, but you know, you could do a pack of 25, a pack of 10, or 1 to 5. You don't want that. You want at least a pack of 10. And then you just add those to your cart. If you want these medium ones right here, these medium box 1, these are a nice size as well to have on hand. Just something in case somebody buys multiple of something, it's helpful. Maybe just a pack of 10 would do for those. Let's see what else. What else do we got going on here? Don't buy anything that has the express on it. You don't need that. Here, these shoe boxes, these are really great to have on hand if you're going to be doing shoes, and just getting maybe a pack of 10 or 25, just depends. If you're going to be doing exclusive shoes, then go ahead and do the 25. So whenever you're all done, you're going to go up to your shopping cart and check out now. Notice the total is 0. Check out now. Oh, I didn't sign in. Or you could do check out as guest, but I don't. Okay, check out. I'm gonna block out my address whenever I do this. Ship to this address. And the parcel select arrives in 5 to 7 business days for free. You can do it, pay $25 if you want, but I would not, because that's crazy talk. But the 5 to 7 days is perfect. Confirm shipment. Place your order. I agree. Total 0. You can either check out as a guest or go ahead and set up an account and just follow the steps. I mean, everybody knows how to run, and that is how you order free shipping supplies.